tranche with chapati, with lemon and salt.
Nice. Also, this is the ingredients of salata. This name is salata. Sater salata. First time to make. Guys, time to lunch. This is I will make today. You see, this is the akil of Shakala. And Laban. No, nothing, this. You test, Linda, is good the salata or no? Yeah. It's good. This salata is first time I doing. Sater